Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report from my friend Frank in Florida on the Stryker SR-955hp. Frank got it ready to go for you, bud. Fully modded out. You know the drill. It's got it all. MOSFET upgrade, cap upgrades, wideband transmit receive, the Toshiba voltage regulator, all the audio and power mods. You'll get the static 636 mic as well. And we'll throw you a Truckerized sticker in there. So our power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down, so you got plenty of adjustability. 20 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 48 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 125 PEP. She's rocking and rolling, man. Now let me go over to sideband. They'll do a little less on sideband. Hello. See about 110 on sideband. All right, my friend. We'll get it out to you, Frank. I appreciate it. You got wise and got Truckerized. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.